What you talking about? Is Jaden Blaze?
Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now it seems as if while fans are celebrating Vybz Kartel's release, Vybz Kartel's media dominance, you have some people not happy. And while fans might not hear what they must say, the news and some things that they must say, I reach back to Vybz Kartel. And that is why in the next statements like this, I'm going to hear what I'm saying, and then we will continue the reasonation. Want to look and listen.
Bro, a different life man I live here. What do want to do? See man go back to prison and them thing the dog. So lifestyle when I not go see that, you see me? Yeah, me no want a man tell me about no this and no that and no badness and them thing the dog. Dog remember man born and go evil in my dead. A bill man a bill from them lifestyle, you see it? Cause who know and who no know just don't know. You see me? Man life happier. Life they always happy because you don't know from me becomes Vybz Kartel and I make money and I told the world. My life happy right now, my life happier. So you know say? So nothing and no one. Me even go certain place so a boy can't see me and try draw me out. You see it? Just know that my dead. So I'm here living my bestest life. That's choking on the parents. Yeah, remember when you say Kartel for dead at prison. Where was me there? Millions them triple up and fourple up already.
Now why we know say in our both parties you have people when I like Vybz Kartel. From different walks of life, different people in society. You have people that like Vybz Kartel. You also have people from both parties that support Vybz Kartel. But now that Vybz Kartel has stated that him support is for one political party. And that him feel like say the party in power now has not done all that they can to better the lives of Jamaican citizens. People are saying make it even worse. Now what good for hear about from Vybz Kartel himself is that Vybz Kartel are weird. So you have people where them basically would have loved to see Vybz Kartel act out of character. Do our settings where them could have used against him. And Vybz Kartel is fully aware of that. The good thing of a smart. And Vybz Kartel is aware and is making those smart moves. As I say, Vybz Kartel point out, you know, while him free to go anywhere him want go, you're not going to see him anyway. Sunday we see him roll out and different places we see him go. We see him go Dolly Sundays, see him go Mecca. We see him at Rising Stars. You know what I mean? Recently we see him at PMP conference. Teacher in and out. In and out and about, I should say. But him still not go certain place. Him not link up with certain people on certain block. A progress. When you do over 13 years behind the bars, you not just do things to get a response out of people. Or you not just do things for the hype. Recently in a clip him say, yo, him do 18 laps. But him say it was actually 8. And him add an extra 10. And that was for the hype. But him now go do some things and say some things or go around some people just so people say, oh, yeah man, I teach that and this and that. Right now, Vybz Kartel is a grandfather. A father. And a dancer, a superstar, icon of the business. Him no need to prove certain things to just people. So for that, them are going to wait for see if they can use against him. We're not going to see it. Now, why we know say how people are plotting and conspire? That happened from the early stages of Vybz Kartel career. But when Vybz Kartel does fall upon the scene and apart bounty them, you have some people who never like bounty. And just because they don't like bounty, they don't like nobody around bounty. And just because of that, Vybz Kartel, yeah, people are plotting and conspire against Vybz Kartel from them time. But what we can see with Vybz Kartel career is that he continues to prosper. Despite being put behind the bars for over 13 years. We see him fouled out. And him say, while some people that feel like, say, you know, money-wise, him lose a whole heap. Him say, no, him feel like at the time, with loved ones, him really miss out upon. Other than that, him say, yo, money-wise, he make millions behind the bars. And even since being released, he make millions again. Him say, right now, truth be told, to get him in a country to go cost us some millions. I will see him visit a couple countries. So, I guess we can say, more unlikely, Teacher don't already have some big shows lined up in some other countries and some millions of US based on the contracts that are on the table. So even though people are conspire, I have the naysayers. Recently, we see him drop a video up on YouTube, and all we can say is just it proves that fans are look forward for good music. People naturally want to hear better music than what them are hear now. And even some of them young artists, you have to give them some credit where credit is due. Big them up. You know what I notice? And some people that always say it. Certain artists use certain type of songs just to get a listening ear. And then the type of music where them really want to make, some of them are trying to make it now. Some of them are put out songs where, they might talk about different things. They might talk about believing in yourself and things of that nature. Them still not try to really stray too far away from them core fans, where them assume are the people them where they listen them for the song them and then they make just forget a listening ear. But for the better part, some of them are try to transcend and grow and go beyond just songs about dialing and things like that. The thing is, for many of these artists, because of that, people know them for and listen them for. And some people see some of these entertainers as a gimmick. They don't really see them as real musicians. It's when them start to give them real music, people don't really listen to them as much. And then now you have to put in the work now for people start to listen to you as that type of artist. And they must say, oh, you don't just make songs where about dialing. You sing about other things too. And they have to then now put in the work where that is concerned. But for start, some people say the hardest part of a start. But some young artists I find the landscape of music changing. Meaning say, I not just like one time when they can just go make a song, make a video, put it out, and it's streaming and make some money and people start booking for shows. No. It used to work so. But now with the different avenues where people can get their music from, people now have to listen to one type of music. So, and like one time when people forced for those say, alright, these are the songs representing Jamaican dancehall now. Now you have Jamaican dancehall music I make everywhere. Because you have Jamaicans residing all over the world. And them have different views and, different talents and different ways how them plan to make music. And how them currently making music now. So things have changed. And people are say, Vybz Kartel return to dancehall a signal the return of lyrics. You have artists where you have good lyricists in the dancehall music same way. Some people say Massacre one, some people say Chroniclers another. And you have a couple more. But people would never really that focus on lyrics nowadays because it's all about rage music. Who can shout on the microphone and or the fire phone. And you see me? It sounds like a song for you can turn up to all the vibes. But that's just party music. Music go beyond party music though. So if an artist want to be a musician and make music for the clubs, nothing wrong with that. But dancehall artists also want the fame of being considered a lyricist when them now putting the lyrics on their music. Can't work both ways. But talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel to pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning. And also join the discussion. The comment section 24/7 never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts and comments. And yes, your opinions right there. And until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper. Now a quick response. Now a quick recap. Vybz Kartel is fully aware of the people who are plot and the people who they want to see him stuck behind the bars. And him not do nothing for them can use against him. Now until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. And stay tuned.